Friends, welcome back to my channel Biome, a pioneer in biological sciences. In previous lecture we have discussed about the structure of ovule. Now we are going to discuss about types of ovule. The ovule is of following types. The first is orthotropous ovule. Second is anatropous ovule. Third is hemitropous ovule. Hemitropous ovule. Fourth is compylotropous ovule. Compylotropous ovule. Fifth is amphitropous ovule. And sixth one is cercinotropous ovule. So in different plants, different types of ovules are present, but mostly 80% plants having the anatropous ovule, as we have discussed in previous lecture. Then 6 types of ovules are present in the different plants: orthotropous, anatropous, hemitropous, compylotropous, amphitropous and cercinotropous. In simply we can learn as OAHCAC: orthotropous, anatropous, hemitropous, compylotropous and amphitropous and cercinotropous. So what is the structure, what is the difference between the orthotropous, anatropous and hemitropous, and what's the difference in compylotropous, amphitropous and cercinotropous? So we are going to draw a structure of orthotropous, then hemitropous, anatropous later on. So please see the structure. This is, as we have studied previously, this one is embryo sac having 3 structure. This one is 3. What is this? This is the space between the integument is called micropyle. So what you've seen here, this portion is called chalaza. This portion is called micropyle, and this one is embryo sac. This is called funicle. So what you have seen here in this structure, micropyle, chalaza and funicle all are in same direction. Micropyle, chalaza and funicle in the same direction. This is first type of ovule. It is orthotropous. Okay. So what you seen here, micropyle, chalaza and funicle are in the same direction. This is orthotropous ovule. Now what is second? In the case of second, like this is embryo sac, antipodal cells, synergid cells, like this is integument, like this. What you found? That micropyle and chalaza in the same direction, but funicle is different direction. तो as we have seen in the structure of ovule, like तो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे क्या देखा था, anatropous ovule. That means this is micropylar end, this is chalazal end. What is this? This is funicle. तो ये आपका हो गया second type ovule. Now what is third? In the case of third, like this, micropyle, like this. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? They are in the 90 degree. Micropyle, chalaza in the one direction, This is micropylar end, this is chalaza end, this is funicle end. Funicle, chalaza एंड माइक्रोपाइल. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल बन रहा है. सच टाइप ऑफ एम्ब्रियो सैक इज ओव्यूल इज कॉल्ड हेमीट्रोपस ओव्यूल. क्लियर. ऑर्थोट्रोपस आपका सेकेंड एनाट्रोपस, थर्ड वन इज द हेमीट्रोपस. तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन द थ्री अलग कंपाइलोट्रोपस, एम्फीट्रोपस एंड सर्सिनोट्रोपस. नाउ see the structure. This one, 3 cells, 2 nucleated. कौन सा एंगल बन रहा है आपका? That means this one is called compylotropous. Fourth number. This one, compylotropous. Compylotropous. It means micropyle, chalaza and funicle at the 120 degree angle. This is 90 degree angle. This is क्या हो गया, ये completely 180 पे जा रहा, ये आपका सिंगल में. Next is amphitropous ovule and sarsinotropous ovule. What is amphitropous ovule and what is sarsinotropous ovule? This one, 5th number. See the structure. Three. Curved embryo sac. Embryo sac, it's curved in the case of amphitropous ovule. Similarly anatropous ovule, but the itself embryo sac is curved. यहाँ पे embryo sac curve नहीं है, यहाँ पे embryo sac curve हो रहा है. This is called amphitropous ovule. Amphitropous ovule. Now what is sarsinotropous, the last one? See the structure. You know, 3 cells. Integument covered. This is sarsinotropous. So this is about the structure of the ovule. Orthotropous, anatropous, hemitropous, compylotropous, amphitropous and sarsinotropous. So this is the structures of ovule which is present in the different plants. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment and press the bell icon to subscribe my channel so that you get more notifications when we upload new videos. Thank you very much.